Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to reveal the 15 best kept frugal secrets of Grandma to save money. These aren't just any tips. These are tried and true strategies that have been handed down through generations and stood the test of time. They might seem simple or even old-fashioned, but trust me, they work. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. Secret 1. Bar soap over liquid soap. First on our list is the humble bar soap. You might wonder why opt for bar soap when there are so many fancy liquid soaps and body washes available, but our grandmothers knew better. Bar soaps are typically cheaper and last longer than their liquid counterparts. Plus, they're often packaged in paper or minimal packaging, so you're reducing plastic waste, which is a win for your pocket and the environment. Secret 2. Reusing aluminum foil and plastic wraps. Think twice before you toss that piece of aluminum foil or plastic wrap into the trash. Our grandmothers knew the value of reusing these items. Just give them a quick wash and let them dry, and they're ready to be used again. You'll be surprised how much you can save over time with this simple practice. Secret 3. Natural air fresheners. Instead of reaching for expensive air fresheners, try this tip from Grandma. Make your own natural air fresheners. Lemon slices, a splash of vinegar, or a spoonful of baking soda can do wonders in freshening up your space. They're cost-effective, non-toxic, and you probably already have these items in your kitchen. Secret 4. Repair, don't replace. Next on our list is the art of repairing. In our throwaway culture, it's easy to just buy a new item when something breaks. But our grandmothers were more resourceful. They knew that a small tear can be sewn up or a loose button can be easily fixed. Not only does this save money, but it also extends the life of your items and reduces waste. So next time something breaks, think repair, not replace. Secret 5. Hand-me-downs. Who remembers wearing hand-me-downs as a kid? This practice might be less common now, but it's still a fantastic way to save money. Hand-me-downs can include everything from clothes to books to toys. It's a wonderful tradition that saves money, reduces waste, and strengthens familial bonds. Secret 6. Repurposing old clothes. Speaking of clothes, let's talk about repurposing. Old or outgrown clothes don't have to end up in the landfill. They can be turned into cleaning rags, quilts, or even craft projects. Grandma knew that with a little creativity, nothing goes to waste. Secret 7. Making homemade meals and snacks. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Let's move to the kitchen, where Grandma was the ultimate budgeting queen. Cooking at home is one of the most effective ways to save money. Not only does it help you control what goes into your meals, it's also much cheaper than eating out or buying prepackaged food. Plus, nothing beats the taste of a home-cooked meal. Secret 8. Utilizing the library. Do you remember going to the library with your grandma? Libraries are a treasure trove of resources, from books and magazines to DVDs and classes. Some libraries even offer free internet and computer access. So, before you buy that new book or movie, check if your local library has it first. Your wallet will thank you. Secret 9. Saving and reusing rainwater. Our grandmothers were no strangers to sustainability. By setting up a simple system to collect rainwater, you can use it for watering your plants, washing your car, or even flushing your toilets. It's an easy way to conserve water and lower your utility bills. Secret 10. Home remedies for common ailments. Before rushing to the drugstore for every cough and sniffle, consider trying out Grandma's home remedies. From honey and lemon for a sore throat to warm chicken soup for the common cold, these remedies are not only economical, but can be just as effective. Secret 11. Bulk buying. If you have the storage space, buying in bulk is a great way to save money. Items like rice, pasta, canned goods, and toilet paper can be much cheaper when bought in large quantities. Just make sure you have a place to store them, and don't forget to rotate your stock to ensure nothing goes to waste. Secret 12. Homemade beauty treatments. Did you know that your kitchen is full of potential beauty products? Homemade face masks made with honey or a body scrub made with sugar can be just as effective as store-bought beauty products. Plus, they're all natural and won't break the bank. Secret 13, energy conservation. Conserving energy is not only good for the planet, but also great for your wallet. Grandma knew this well. Simple habits like using natural sunlight instead of turning on the lights during the day or layering clothes instead of cranking up the heat can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. Secret 14, walking or cycling short distances. Our grandmothers didn't need fancy gym memberships to stay fit. They walked or cycled to nearby places instead of always relying on the car. This not only saves money on gas and car maintenance, but it's also great for your health and the environment. Secret 15, waste not, want not. And finally, we come to the golden rule of frugality. Waste not, want not. Want not. Our grandmothers knew that by making the most out of what they had and not being wasteful, they were saving money. Whether it's finishing the leftovers, making compost out of kitchen scraps, or simply turning off the lights when leaving a room, every little bit counts. Well, there you have it, the 15 best-kept frugal secrets of Grandma to save money. It's not about being cheap. It's about being resourceful and mindful about our consumption. So why not try implementing a few of these tips and see how much you can save? Also, we would love to hear from you. Do you have a money-saving tip passed down from your grandma that wasn't on our list? Share it in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. The more people we can help to save money, the better. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our money-saving tips. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep saving and stay frugal.